How you doing, everybody? My name is Dr. Sami Baya. Please welcome back to my YouTube channel. How to make a narcissist miserable. What are the many ways of making this narcissist miserable? Remember, narcissist is a demon. A narcissist is a master manipulator. A narcissist main mission is to punish you, to cause pain in your life, to frustrate you, to put you down, to kill your dreams. That is what narcissists struggle to do. They want to make sure they control everything about you: how you eat, how you talk, how you dress, everything that you do. Now, narcissists generally they lack empathy. They are very arrogant. They exaggerate their achievements. It's always about me with the narcissists. Remember, these are self-absorbed, selfish, self-centered, egotistic, egoistic individuals. Narcissists misuse, then discard others. They want you to prioritize them. That's what the narcissist wants. It's always about their needs. Now, if you want to make this narcissist miserable, if you want to punish these narcissists and make them cry, there are several things you can do. Now, number one, set boundaries and then stick to them firmly. If there's one thing the narcissist hates, is boundaries. They hate it because it limits their control over you. Again, you can make the narcissist miserable by limiting your interactions with the narcissist whenever possible. Only interact with the narcissist when necessary. Otherwise, stay away, keep away. You can also do the grey rock method. That is, be as boring and as dull as the grey rock. That way, you frustrate the narcissist because they are not able to get the maximum narcissistic supply they need from you. Again, you can make a narcissist miserable by focusing on your own self-care. Focus on your own well-being. Your mental health is very important. Focus on it, and that way you make the narcissist miserable, because what they need is for you to prioritize their needs. They want you to focus on their needs. Again, to make a narcissist miserable, seek support from trusted friends, trusted family members, or a therapist. Make sure you have a strong support system. This way the narcissist is not able to control you, because you can always counter-check with your support system. If you have been gaslighted, you can always know it. Now, if you want to make a narcissist miserable, practice assertive communication. Refuse to engage in unnecessary arguments with the narcissist. Don't argue with them. Don't have power struggles with the narcissist. Remember, narcissists thrive in conflicts. They thrive in drama. They thrive in chaos, in arguments. So stay away from that. That way you make them very miserable. To make a narcissist miserable, avoid giving them too much attention and validation. Don't give them the admiration they need. Don't reassure them. Don't acknowledge them. Stop praising them. That way you make them miserable. To make a narcissist miserable, cultivate empathy for yourself and others. Develop a strong support network. Practice mindfulness and stress reduction techniques. Remember, if you are in a relationship with a narcissist, you'll be stressed out almost every single day of your life with that narcissist. They'll be stressing you out. So you need to have some stress reduction techniques. Again, to make a narcissist miserable, don't take their behavior personally. Remember that the narcissist behavior is a reflection of their own insecurities. Keep your interactions very brief and to the point with a narcissist. Document any abusive behavior for your own records. That's one way of making them miserable. Seek legal or professional advice if necessary. Focus on your own goals and aspirations, and this will make the narcissist miserable because they want you to focus on their goals and not yours. Reframe negative thoughts about yourself. Have some positive self-talk so that you can boost your self-confidence. Practice forgiveness for your own peace of mind. If you want to deal with the narcissist, surround yourself with positive influences. Cultivate hobbies and interests that bring you joy. If there's one thing the narcissist hates, is to see you happy. It is to see you joyful, to see you focusing on your hobbies. They become miserable because they want you to focus on them. Again, set realistic expectations for yourself and others. Don't try to change the narcissist. Focus on changing your own reactions. Remember, narcissists, they don't change. They only change to be worse, to treat you worse. They only change patterns. They only change their victims, but they never change. So to make them miserable, focus on changing your own reactions. Focus on improving yourself. Avoid getting into any drama with the narcissist. Seek validation from within yourself, not from others. That way you make the narcissist miserable. Remember that you deserve respect, you deserve kindness. So don't sacrifice your own needs for the sake of the narcissist. Put your needs first. That way you make the narcissist very miserable. Remember that you deserve to be respected. Develop healthy coping mechanisms for dealing with stress. Challenge negative beliefs about yourself. Have some positive self-talk. Practice self-compassion. Don't allow yourself to be manipulated or gaslighted by the narcissist. Surround yourself with positive influences and take breaks from stressful situations when needed. When dealing with the narcissist and you want to make them miserable, practice assertiveness in your interactions with the narcissist. Seek professional help if you are struggling to cope. Focus on personal growth. Focus on self-improvement. Set goals for yourself and work towards achieving them. Remember that you deserve to be treated with kindness, with respect. So don't be afraid to seek help from others if you need it. To make a narcissist miserable, let them see you take care of your physical health through exercising, through proper nutritioning. Practice relaxation techniques to reduce stress. Find healthy outlets for your emotions. You can start journaling. Take time for yourself to recharge and relax. Remind yourself every day of your own worth and value. Don't let the narcissist behavior define your self-esteem. Practice assertive communication. Set boundaries and enforce them consistently. Focus on building positive relationships with others. Practice patience and understanding, but know when it's time to walk away from that narcissist. That way you make them miserable. Seek therapy or counseling for support and guidance. Learn to recognize manipulation tactics and don't fall for them. To make these narcissists miserable, surround yourself with supportive friends and family. Practice self-care regularly. Focus on your own personal growth. Don't engage in past struggles with the narcissist. Take breaks from that relationship when needed. Don't take the narcissist's behavior personally. Be empathetic towards yourself. Set boundaries and stick to them. Focus on the activities and hobbies that make you feel happy. Surround yourself with positivity. Practice gratitude for the good things in your life. Develop healthy coping mechanisms for dealing with stress. Remember, the narcissist's behavior is a reflection of their own insecurities. Forgive yourself for your own peace of mind. Set realistic expectations for yourself and others. Now, don't forget to set boundaries and enforce them consistently, because that's a big way of making the narcissist miserable. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.